Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing materials and immediately shaping the core forms. Condition both white and black clay until pliable so seams disappear. This prevents cracking in the oven. Roll a slightly flattened 25-30 mm white ball for the body and a tighter 15-18 mm white ball for the head, then push a toothpick halfway into the body to anchor limbs later. Once done, smooth joins with a damp fingertip and set both pieces aside on a non-stick surface, ready for the next assembly phase. Now attach limbs and refine the face, focusing on balance and proportion. Take 4 small black ovals, flatten the ends, and press them to the body so the panda can sit. Make sure front legs are slightly shorter. Create 2 ear halves and 2 teardrop-shaped eye patches, then a tiny black nose. Position patches symmetrically and press a toothpick to add pupils. Blend each join smoothly with a needle tool to avoid visible seams. Once everything sits correctly, check silhouette and adjust until proportions feel natural. Finish the piece by baking and refining while watching temperature closely. Preheat the oven to the manufacturer's recommended setting, use an oven thermometer for accuracy, and bake on a ceramic tile for 15-30 minutes depending on size. Thicker pieces need longer. After cooling fully, sand any rough spots with fine grit and apply a tiny gloss to the nose and eyes for realism. If cracks or seams show, press a small amount of conditioned clay over the area or use liquid clay, then rebake briefly to repair and secure the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.